You know, I can get used to this whole streaming all the time, or not streaming, recording all the time thing. I actually quite enjoy it. I mean, it may be midnight. I gotta be up at 6 in the morning, and I still gotta edit this. That's besides the point. That is besides the point. Okay, it looks like it's 1-3. I'm the orange team. I gotta go over blue. What? Huh? I have 200 ping. Oh yeah, because I'm not using my hotspot. Fucking mint, bro. But anyway, how's y'all been? I've been good. I've been playing this game called like Jackbox TV with my manager, and of course you know how that always goes. I've been playing with my manager, and of course there's bad woods in it, so of course it makes it like 10 times funnier. I'd probably get, I'd probably have to age restrict that video and like not have it monetized, but I could do it. But it's pretty fun. It's called Jackbox TV. If anybody's played it, so you'd understand. But we've had a lot of fun. Um, fuck. Um, I'm tired. If you couldn't tell, my beard be smelling nice though. I will say that. Um, my phone went off. But if you guys want to see something other than Rocket League, let me know. I'll be more than happy to buy it, to stream, record it, or anything if I do have it. Because I know Rocket League is an acquired taste. Like I know pretty much everyone except Boy Wonder and Predator, who's in my other video, are the only people that actually like understand Rocket League. I got a couple others on my friends list who understand Rocket League, but not to the extent of being able to sit down and enjoy it. And I know some people, they're in it because of just because I'm fucking sexy. They're into. That sounds really weird, but they watch it because I'm hilarious. And I'm gonna move this back some so I can speak up more. Okay, there we go. Doesn't make me sound like I'm in the channel, which because I don't want to be. I mean that'd be kind of cool, Hit tippity pop 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 pop. Hopefully that wasn't too loud. I just got out of Discord call with my homies. My. It's pretty fun to sit there and say, yeah, I play with my manager and I yell and cuss and scream at him all the time because it's kind of cool to say that, you know. Kind of be like, yo, if I want to say, hey, fuck you, manager, I can't do it out. But probably could do it at work. But I say, hey, fuck you, and he actually has a recording of me saying fuck you. So every time I say that, he hits it, and then he has one that says shut up, bitch. And then he has one of me saying I talk to myself, which I mean technically that's what YouTube is talking to yourself. I mean I know that you guys are out there, oh gals. Oh, man, that was perfect. That was a perfect shot. My computer's running out. It's going. Oh, he misses it. Pow. Somehow get at that angle. He's gonna go up for it. He's gonna just completely whiff. Yeah. The boom, boom, boom. And if you guys know me, then you know that I do computers. Oh, I have computers and shit, and I plan on like actually starting to, do some things. The only issue is with whenever I go to buy like a thingamajiggy, sheesh, I don't actually have a place to ship it. I used to ship it to my work, but now I can't necessarily do that anymore. And I can't really ship it to my house because I live out in the middle of fucking nowhere. Again, if you know me, you realize that I'm not even joshing. It's not like I have a lady that I can send my shit to, and yeah. I ain't that fancy, okay? I mean, it's just a little old Nick. You know, someone who likes to, go hit the ball. Oh, okay. The fuck? This man's trying to talk shit about me? What the hell? I gotta concentrate. Okay. So I'm just not gonna sit in silence. I'm gonna be mean to this guy. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm out. Later.